Hello everyone, Russian with Puma Messi is here. I am recording this video late Monday evening, late night actually, and it will be published Tuesday early morning. And I just want to tell you what a nerve-breaking, nerve-wracking Monday was that for all of us, because Messi, our beloved Messi, had to undergo a medical procedure, the dental procedure, and unfortunately cats cannot sit in a dentist chair like that, they have to be sedated, unfortunately, and Messi had to go through that procedure. Well, Masha posted few shorts on YouTube showing that Messi came out of sedation in good spirit, that he is back to good health, and every day he is going to be better and better and will continue bringing us joy and happiness and love. So I also wanted to create a lesson about medical conditions in Russia and about toothache, about doctors, about everything. But I've decided that it's too fresh of a story and let the dust settle on that story. And meanwhile, when we are waiting until the dust settles, we are going to be talking about the real dust cleaning machine. And I am referring to a vacuum cleaner. So the story is going to be a short one, and that's why I called it Messi's word of the day, because we are kind of back to our short format, Messi's word of the day, because the short story is going to be around one word. So in English is two words, vacuum cleaner. In Russian it's a one word, пылесос. Пылесос, a vacuum cleaner. And you're at the channel Russian with Puma Messi. I do invite you to subscribe to the channel. Also, please like the video, share it with your friends and family and with the rest of the world. Go tell everyone what a wonderful Messi we have, and tell everyone that Messi speaks Russian and they better start speaking Russian too. And for that, they need to come to the channel Russian with Puma Messi. So let's take a look at the word again. Пылесос. Пылесос. Technically, it's a compound word. It has two words. Пыль, dust, and сос, the verb to suck. So it's literally a dust sucking machine. That's how it comes to existence. Two words in one, пылесос, пылесос, пылесос. And I will be featuring a video for you to go to re-watch it, because it's a very interesting video and it has English subtitles. Translation was done by Rastaveli. So let's go to our story. Я Месси. Я тут отдыхаю. Никого не трогаю. А тут папа Саша и пылесос. Я Месси. Я тут отдыхаю. Никого не трогаю. А тут папа Саша и пылесос. I'm Messi. I'm resting here. I don't bother anyone. And here comes Daddy Sasha and his vacuum cleaner. Okay, so here's our word. Пылесос. Пылесос. A vacuum cleaner. Пылесос. П-п-п. Пылесос. 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 Next slide. Я смелый кот. Пылесос? Не боюсь. Пойду в другое место. Я смелый кот. Пылесос не боюсь. Пойду в другое место. I am a courageous cat. I am a brave cat. Смелый, courageous, brave. I am a courageous cat. A vacuum cleaner? I am not afraid. Я в другом месте. Я в другом месте. I am at a different location. I have moved. Не боюсь. Не боюсь. I am not afraid. И так не боюсь. И так не боюсь. And here I am not afraid either. И так я тоже не боюсь. И так тоже не боюсь. И так тоже не боюсь. And here I am not afraid either. So I am not afraid. So here is your vacuum cleaner. And I am not afraid. Here is your vacuum cleaner. And here I am not afraid your vacuum cleaner. And here I am not afraid of your vacuum cleaner. So look at me. I'm a brave cat. I'm a courageous cat. Я смелый кот. Я смелый кот. Я не боюсь. Не боюсь. И так не боюсь. И так тоже не боюсь. I am not afraid of your vacuum cleaner. Я смелый кот. Я смелый кот. I am a courageous cat. A question of the day. А ваш кот боится пылесоса? А ваш кот боится пылесоса? And your cat? Is your cat afraid of the vacuum cleaner? That was our short lesson for today. You're at the channel Russian with Puma Messi. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share this video with friends. Please like the video. I'll talk to you tomorrow. До завтра!